This video is about shear and frame elements. Wall elements are dealt with in a separate video. This looks at shear from different design perspectives: strength, capacity, and code detailing. The procedures are simple and straightforward. If you want to do design, select a beam, click on Strength, and then Shear Design. Here you can see the minimum areas of required reinforcing along the various beam segments. This is based on beam internal forces, as resulting from analysis and considering the pertaining load combinations. Next, click on Capacity and then Shear Design. Same thing, but from the capacity point of view. Shear reinforcing is provided based on the theoretical shear forces balancing out the resisting moments of the beam end sections. These shear forces are increased by a factor determined by the ductility class. Of course, to activate the capacity functions, first you must have longitudinal reinforcing already assigned. Same thing for columns. Axial force is included in the calculations to account for increased shear capacity. Okay, now say you have already designed the beam and assigned some reinforcing and want to check it. Just follow the same procedure as before, clicking on the check buttons instead. In place of required areas, you get demand capacity ratios at the various segments along the beam. Finally, click on Detailing Provisions and then Frame Check. Compliance with all code detailing provisions is checked and comprehensive explanations are offered. Doing detailing provisions, you not only check transverse reinforcing for shear, but also for the many other requirements where this reinforcing is needed, from providing restraint to compression rebars to meeting confinement obligations in critical regions. If your ductility class is H, you can also check shear capacity of joint panels at beam column intersections. Just select the joint and click on Capacity and Joint Design or Joint Check, and you get all the required results. Shear design is performed based on the strut-and-tie method as outlined by code. Go to General Settings, click on General, and select the Shear tab. As you see, you can select the type of shear truss mechanism, either variable or fixed angle. The default is variable. If you choose fixed, you can experiment with different angles and see how the results are affected. This concludes this video. Thank you for attending.